How to add fonts to Figma. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add fonts to Figma. So let's get into it. So here you can see I've opened up the text over here, and here we have the typography, and here we have all the fonts that we get. Right now I am using the Windows version because that's how you can add fonts for now. And here if I just search for orange, we got made in orange, but we don't have other fonts, right? So I wanted to add this font right here called Orange Juice. I've already downloaded it. Just simply click on download and you should have the font. Once it's downloaded, open up the folder, extract the fonts over here, extract all. There you go. Now we can go ahead and install it, install the fonts, give it a couple of seconds. And once it's installed, we'll move on. All right, I believe it's done. You can see right here, install. Now, if we open up Figma again, we should have the font. So I'm going to go ahead and close it up, open up Figma, and we're going to close that, wait for it to load up. Open up one of these projects, open this up, and wait for it to load up. All right, it's loaded up, and I'll click over here and open it in editor. And now if I click on the text buttons over here, go into the text, go ahead and search for orange juice. We have orange juice text right here, and now we can go ahead and other fonts as well. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you add fonts in Figma. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.